Tired of your Webex meetings showing the wrong name? In 60 seconds, you will have the correct display name for every single call. I will walk you through the exact settings page and the field to edit. Just follow these simple steps. Now, start by signing into your Webex account. Go ahead and open your browser, head to the Webex site, and log in with your usual credentials. Once you are in, you will land on the main meetings page. This is the hub where you schedule and join calls. So from that meetings page, look up to the top right corner. You will see a little gear icon, like a settings wheel. Click on that. This is the same place I go to tweak just about everything in my account, and I have done this dozens of times across different profiles. Let the page load for just a second. It will open your My Webex profile page. Sometimes it takes a moment to pull up your personal info, so just give it that beat. Now, once the profile page is fully loaded, you want to find the basic info section. This is usually the first block of fields you see, and right there you are looking for the line that says Display Name. This is the name everyone else sees when you join a meeting, so it is worth getting right. Click inside that Display Name field. It should let you highlight whatever is currently in there. Go ahead and delete the old name and type in the name you want other participants to see. Maybe it is your full name, a nickname, or your company title, whatever you want. Now take a second to review your changes. Double-check the spelling. Make sure there are no stray spaces or typos. I have watched people skip this step and end up with a weird formatting issue that looks messy on screen. When you are happy with what you have typed, click the big Update button. It is usually right below the field or off to the side. This saves your changes. Wait a moment for Webex to process and apply the update. It usually takes just a second or two, but occasionally the system needs a little longer to push it through to all the servers. Once it goes through, you will see a confirmation message, something like, "Your display name has been updated successfully." This is your green light that everything worked. And that is it. The new name will now appear in all future Webex meetings and any other supported Webex services. So next time you join a call, everyone will see the correct name right away. Now, here is a quick troubleshooting note. If you check and the name has not changed in a meeting right away, try logging out of Webex completely and then signing back in. That usually forces the system to refresh and pull your latest settings. In my experience, this resolves the issue 9 times out of 10. So that is how you fix that awkward moment of having the wrong name pop up. You can update it anytime you need, and now you know exactly where to go.